Welcome to this quick demo of Local Agency Box Reloaded. Local Agency Box is a full-blown, done-for-you marketing and branding solution that allows anyone to start and scale a widely profitable agency that sells high in-demand services to local businesses. In this edition, you get access to 12 done-for-you agency marketing kits for 12 lucrative agency niches, plus 52 weeks coaching live on Zoom. Wow! Let's take a quick look at the quality of assets that comes with this package. 12 professional agency websites. You get 12 beautiful and highly professional agency websites ready to go. Each site comes with pre-made copy, content, and graphics to impress and convert your prospects into paying clients. See? The websites are super easy to install and 100% editable with WordPress Elementor. Next, 12 ready-made web banners and commercial graphics pack. Popping visual content is key in catching the attention of prospects these days, so we created a pack of all the graphic assets you'll ever need for all your branding and marketing. You get brochures, letterheads, invoice templates, business cards, etc. All done for you for 12 niches. Next, Pimp to Sell telemarketing scripts. We're also giving you Designed to Hypnotize complete telemarketing scripts for different sales scenarios across all 12 niches. Even a novice can use these scripts to close clients almost effortlessly. It works like magic. Next, Copy and Swipe cold email sequence. We're giving you a pro-written, ready-to-email email sequence for each agency. Simply copy and paste into your favorite autoresponder to deliver to any on-the-fence leads or cold leads you've collected. Next, done-for-you Facebook ad creative. You don't like talking to people, knocking on doors, or doing cold calls? No problem. You can make your clients come to you instead. You can run targeted Facebook ads with the ready-to-deploy ads creatives that come with this package. All you have to do is copy and paste for any of the 12 niches. That's not all. In this edition, we included 12 PowerPoint and Keynote presentation slides. Simply walk your prospects through this persuasive presentation and watch them beg you to take their money. The presentation slides are loaded with professionally designed graphics and content specifically crafted to convince your prospect into taking action right now. In fact, from our tests, 2 out of every 5 prospects that sees this presentation writes us a check. Also is the attorney-drawn contract or agreement template for each of the 12 agency niches. Contracts and agreements are important to run a successful agency business, but if you go to an attorney for this, you'll be charged hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just to get one contract done. So we hired a US-based attorney to draft a contract template to seal up this package. Cool, right? Remember, you're getting every asset for each of the 12 lucrative niches. We created all the assets for copywriting service agency, visual tour and VR marketing agency, Facebook ad agency, social media marketing agency, web design agency, graphics design agency, messenger bot and mobile app agency, restaurant agency. We also have all assets for SEO agency, and finally for content marketing agency. And yet, that's still not all. As I said, this edition comes with not only the assets, but the training and coaching you need to finally start getting results online. With this package, you get access to Agency Accelerator Training. This training walks you through the A to Z of how to start, run, and scale a successful agency business step by step. Dropservicing and Agency Arbitrage Training. If you don't have the skill or the time to deliver any of these services yourself, then this training is specially for you. You'd learn how to drop service by getting other people to do the work while you act only as a middleman. Private Skype Mentorship. This takes place in our premium mentorship group where we share and provide one-on-one mentorship to all our premium users. SuccessFlyover weekly internet business and client attraction trainings for 52 weeks. Most members get results from the second week. Weekly live coaching sessions on Zoom for 52 weeks. With this, you never have to walk alone because we'll literally coach you till you start seeing results. Wow! 52 weeks of live coaching sessions included in the front end. This is a no-brainer, guys. If you ever bought the commercial or agency license for any software or product, then this package is for you. Take action today and claim this deal for the ridiculously low one-time fee it's currently going for. But you'd have to act fast. This is a special offer and it's not going to be here forever. See you inside.
Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you discover how to start managing a successful business by working with the right clients the right way. I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck in everything. About all the information linked below in the description. Write in the comments about what new and profitable online resources would you like to learn and see in our next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be aware of all the new useful resources in the world. And of course, like if you liked the video.